College with Fibro Session Partner, Kajimtip Namta Kubo Laitkam, the Laitkam Hikai Kumba GA, taking a day contractual bed, Barok Kide Poker District, West Jaintia Hill District. Take a day we can direct work interview, usually be direct Hagatarik Kaba Kila mention, Tengan Puli at Kum Kaneka advertisement. Work interview for the post of assistant teacher, assistant lecturer on contractual basis against vacant post is scheduled to be held on at 11 a.m. Khatway Beji, Agitarik Kiblad of Ayapo. The Piaban Lebi Hapo Office DSEO West Jaintia Hill District Joy. The Kanekaban Kong Niva Post Assistant Teacher Science with Maths Don Tylli Post Mudba Pidiban Puli PCM Physics Chemistry Maths with BN BSc PCM Kane ka date of work and interview kandai arp khandai tarik kandai basau arjar apsan katulop kadai live hojar shibanai. Te kane ka assistant teacher mathematics tangkawai kane ki don kambe ke MSc Maths BEd kane rodi arp khandai tarik kane ka balai assistant lecturer English kawai MA English with BEd ka tarik interview kandai live ho tarik manai basau arjar apsan katulop kadai saupo hojar shibanai fix mongina kine di contractual te kat banam pat mi advertisement te kinang ne bet te la mi advertisement kemud ba phya banela exam yang sesin bat pinsa la phio bat bisa long permanent. Interested and eligible candidate may appear for the walk-in interview as scheduled along with fill-in application. Kemud ba kibalong interest ban appear nam tagine interview tumud ba phya late kit kum gatika trik pelabu ar khandai ba live ho te phya bra ki documents ne ka application form ru standard form but original document hakate gasni produced at the time of interview for verification. Age teratibi can they had live news name with age relaxation. Candidate are to reach the office premises of the DSEO, Konom office DSEO, West Jaintia Hill, at 9 a.m. sharp on the specified date for registration, which will be closed at 10 a.m. sharp. Pli khandai baje namta registration khang shpo baje dan sastang interview nang tu bade. San Tylli post balai. Tangini jumtip Fleshbun.